How can we ensure children are learning in school?
How can we help farmers grow and earn more?
How can we help small businesses grow and transform?
What are the most cost-effective approaches? Ghana has made important advancements in recent years. We still face key challenges.
Decision makers often have to design policies with very little information and hope for the best results. But we are convinced this can change.
IPA is a research and policy nonprofit that seeks to address two key challenges. The first one is that there's not enough evidence on what works and what doesn't work within the world of development. And the second challenge is that even if there is evidence, very often it's not being used.
Testing different options for policy is the bedrock of strengthening evidence use for development impact. If you do not understand what the different options give you in terms of outcomes, you really are in a dark, particularly given the resource constraints that we have. We have very little fiscal space in the country, and so it becomes even more critical that for every Ghana cedi spent, we need to understand what the value it is giving us and the opportunity cost of what it is giving us.
IPA has been generating policy-relevant research in Ghana for over 10 years. And we've done it and we keep doing it in many different sectors, including education, health, social protection, agriculture, but also financial inclusion, small and medium enterprises, development, etc. Now, over this period, we've conducted more than 60 projects in Ghana. And our role includes not only the everyday collection of high-quality data, but also building relationships with our partners here in Ghana and sharing the evidence that IPA generates here in Ghana and around the world.
At IPA, we use a rigorous methodology called randomized evaluation. And this methodology allows us to understand what works and what doesn't, and more importantly, why.
Research is really crucial for any aspect of policy making and implementation. When you have research that defines the programming that you do, then you're almost 100% sure that what you're going to do is effective.
For the ministry to be able to address the challenges within the education sector, the ministry has to know what the problems are. But to effectively do that, the ministry will need to see data.
IPA supports in evidence generation, and this has led to the use of evidence and also the organization of the Evidence Day, which is part of the National Education Week. And now we have a whole day for sharing research that is relevant to Ghana.
Here are some key findings from our research in Ghana. Rainfall insurance and agricultural extension improved farming practices but had limited effects on farmer welfare. Researchers are now investigating other approaches to improve the well-being of rural farming families in Ghana. A holistic set of services, including training, productive assets, consumption support, savings plans, and life coaching, moved households out of extreme poverty in Ghana and in 4 other countries. The proven success of the approach has spurred governments and development agencies to expand the graduation approach to millions of people. Teaching at the level of the child improved learning for low-performing students. Evidence from Kenya and India also supports tailoring instructions to students' level rather than to the curriculum as a way to improve learning outcomes. The model is now being scaled up across Ghana.
I really do think the model that IPA uses is very important. You're very evidence-based and very rigorous, which I think is also very important for research. You're a trusted partner when it comes to doing research that is of good use because of the efforts you go through to ensure that the research is rigorous and valid. So that is really important to us, and I think you have a unique strength in that sense.